Hello my dear students, today in this video I am going to tell you some special informations about letter writing. I have seen that students make mistakes. I have already told you that there are two addresses that you are supposed to put when you are going to write a letter to the editor, but in spite of all the informations, students are doing mistakes in writing letter. So just pay your attention on this thing. The page, first of all, you are supposed to write sender's address. If that is given in the question paper, then you are supposed to put the same address. Not given, it means अपने आप भी आप लिख सकते हैं 125 प्रेम नगर आगरा. Okay, then one line gap. This is sender's address. Sender's address. Okay, one line gap. Date, suppose today is 7th December 2022. Complete date नहीं लिखेंगे. This is the format of letter. 20 cross. Okay, then one line gap. Okay, the editor. Okay, generally students write to the editor. That's not perfect thing. The editor, then the Hindustan Times, New Delhi. Okay, this is the address. Okay, this is receiver's address. Receiver's address. Okay, receiver's address, sender's address, receiver's address, receiver's address, then one line gap. Some students write to the editor. You should not add to there. This is the letter. So the editor, Hindustan Times. If name of the newspaper is given in the question, then you are supposed to write the same name. If name of the newspaper is not given, and if there is given National Daily, अगर नेशनल डेली दिया गया है तो दैट इज नॉट द नेम ऑफ एनी न्यूज़पेपर. इट मीन्स यू आर सपोज टू राइट नेम ऑफ द न्यूज़पेपर अकॉर्डिंग टू यू. आप खुद न्यूज़पेपर का नाम लिख सकते हैं. अगर दिया है तो आप वही लिखेंगे. ओके, देन वन लाइन गैप. subject, after that one line gap, and sir, salutation, sir. Just below through the column of your esteemed newspaper, through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I wish to draw your kind attention. Through the column of your esteemed, esteemed, esteemed newspaper, I wish to draw your kind attention, okay, towards. Now your letter starts. These are the opening lines, you could see clearly. These are the opening lines, my dear students. Format of your letter. Towards. Through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I wish to draw your kind attention towards. S लगाइए इसमें, just a minute. Towards. Then body of the letter, contents related to the subjects you are supposed to write here, okay. Sometimes subject can be put just below sir salutation. इससे पहले भी आप लिख सकते हैं इसको, सर को, सब्जेक्ट को आप नीचे भी लिख सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है. दिस इज द बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर related to a subject. You are supposed to explain your letter in first paragraph. In first para you are supposed to give the subject and its explanation. In second paragraph the problems and other things related to the subject, and in third paragraph you can also give suggestions, remedies, cautions, okay. Your letter must be in third paragraph, and last after body of the letter in how many paragraphs? 3 paragraphs. 3 paragraphs. Then last, I hope that you will publish my views on the front page of your newspaper, so that people may or concerned authorities may or responsible authorities may take necessary steps to end that thing जो आपने सब्जेक्ट दिया गया है, वो प्रॉब्लम आपकी, ओके. I felt that you were not sure about how to write letter to the editor, so students have made many mistakes. Then I decided to teach you like this, writing the format and other things. Okay. आफ्टर दैट यहाँ पे देंगे आप नेसेसरी स्टेप्स टू जो प्रॉब्लम होगी उसको सॉल्व के लिए वो लाइन लिख देंगे आप लास्ट जो सब्जेक्ट आपका रहेगा. देन वन लाइन गैप, उसके बाद ही वन लाइन गैप रहेगा. देन योर नेम एंड डेजिग्नेशन इफ गिवन. If the name is given in the question paper, then you are supposed to put the same name. If that's not given, then yours truly, क्या लिखेंगे वन लाइन गैप करके यहाँ पे yours truly, नीचे जो नाम दिया है क्वेश्चन में वो, ठीक है. लास्ट में ये पेज भर गया है, मैं यहाँ पे बताता हूँ. बिल्कुल जब कंप्लीट हो जाएगा लेटर आपका तब आप लिखेंगे यहाँ पर YOURS ट्रूली. नेम दिया है तो आप नेम लिख सकते हैं. अगर नेम नहीं दिया गया है, नेम नहीं दिया है तो आप XYZ ABC लिख सकते हैं. ओके. ये लास्ट में आप क्वेश्चन पेपर में दिया तो नाम लिख दीजिए. अगर इफ़ यू आर ये इफ़ यू आर बॉय, then if boy's name is given in question paper, you are supposed to put the same name. If our girl and name of the girl is given to the question paper, then that. Okay. Clear? So this was the clear format of the letter to the editor. You must learn how to write an effective letter using the perfect format and the contents that are required in proper manner. Okay. So don't make mistakes now at the time of writing letter. Body of the letter, in how many paragraph it should be, how to start it, how to close it, salutation, subject, sender's address, receiver's address, and your date. Okay. This is the format of date. December 7 20XX, 7 December 20XX, 7 December भी आप कर सकते हैं 20XX. Okay. और क्रॉस format of the date. Okay. Thank you, my dear students. You are supposed to write another letter using your favorite subject, distinct subject, and after completing the letter you are supposed to send its pic to me on my personal WhatsApp number so that I could check it. Okay. This is your home assignment. This is your homework. Okay. Thanks. God bless you. Have a nice day.